Superego, a brand with more than 75 years of history and experience in manufacturing quality tools used by professionals worldwide in different fields: industry, construction, and plumbing. The success of Superego is based on solid values. Superego is committed with offering high-performance tools. The key industrial processes are carried out in our own facilities, equipped with avant-garde technologies. The high performance of Superego tools is based on an optimum balance between hardness and flexibility, thus offering tools resistant to high tightening torques, and at the same time featuring an advanced grip and extended durability. Our products pass demanding quality controls throughout the production process, taking care of the details so that the quality can be also felt. Delivering our products always on time. In constant development to meet our customers' requests. Using the technology as the main driver. It's been a long time since we began, but we have continued working with the same passion throughout the years. Let's forge the future together.